Ever wondered why losing body fat often results in smaller breasts? It's all about the structure of the human body. Biologically, female individuals naturally carry more fat due to estrogen, a hormone that significantly impacts physical features, particularly in the chest area. Breasts are composed of adipose tissue, commonly known as fat, but also contain lobes, milk ducts, blood vessels, nerves, and underlying muscle. As we age, estrogen levels decrease, and the amount of adipose tissue, or fat, in the breasts may diminish. This reduction in fat content can cause breasts to appear smaller, a perfectly normal process that happens over time. The journey towards weight loss is transformative, and one of the changes you might observe lies in the size of your breasts. As you lose body fat, it also affects your breasts, causing a proportional decrease in their size. This is a natural physiological process related to overall fat loss. A common question is, can I choose where to lose fat from, like preventing it in my breasts? Unfortunately, you can't. This is scientifically impossible as the human body decides the locations for fat reduction. However, there's hope. Although you can't prevent fat loss, you can work towards maintaining the firmness of your breasts by focusing on strengthening the underlying pectoral muscles. To maintain breast firmness while losing body fat, incorporate exercises like incline presses, bench presses, and push-ups. These exercises engage multiple muscle groups, increasing workout efficiency. Regular breast massage not only reduces stretch marks but also improves breast health. Utilize oils like olive, almond, avocado, or coconut for a beneficial massage. Adequate nutrition plays a vital role in preserving skin health. A balanced diet matters as much as your gym routine. For sustaining breast size during fat loss, choose foods high in vitamin A, C, protein, and healthy fats. These contribute to skin health and may enhance breast appearance. In conclusion, remember this journey is about you. Weight fluctuation might impact your breasts, but specific exercises can help retain firmness. Regular massages and a balanced diet are also essential. Embrace this path to wellness, every tiny step towards self-care and strength, your body, your rules, your beautiful journey.